Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to day 4 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. So if you want to be part of this collaboration, check down in the description box below and you will see the 12 movies that I have chosen, the date you need to upload your project, and the hashtag that you need to put in your title in order for people to find your creative creation. So just to clarify, in order to get a shout out on my channel and have your video included in my special playlist, you have to pick the movie of the day and your project, whether it be crafty, artsy, you sew, you make jewelry, whatever it is you do, but it must be in the theme of that movie. So go ahead, check it out, see if you're on the naughty or nice list. So last time, the movie theme was The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. So if you want to see my tribute to Whoville and all the other amazing artists that participated, check on the link above. So today's movie theme is a classic. It started off as a black and white film starring Jimmy Stewart and Donna Reed. Jimmy Stewart plays George Bailey, a failed businessman who wonders what life would be like if he never existed. And as Clarence the Angel showed him, one person can touch a lot of lives, and so can you. So if you'd like to see my tribute to It's a Wonderful Life, let's get started. And remember, every time you hear a bell ring, an angel gets his wings. So first of all, some belated shout outs. Delia Lefay for A Christmas Carol, Yarn Necklaces, ArtsAndCraftLover, Aunt's Place, Mysterious Pixie, Tevil's Treasures, and Brooke Fasil for The Grinch. And now for It's a Wonderful Life, Leigh's Art Studio, A Dollar Tree Mimi's World, Off by Heartstyle, Elevated Intuition. It's a Wonderful Life was a black and white movie made in 1946 starring Jimmy Stewart and Donna Reed. It was considered a flop at the box office, but is now considered one of the greatest films of all time. So I decided to recreate the movie cover that I had on my DVD with black and white for the portraits and the color background and the colored lasso around the moon for when George Bailey promises Mary that he will lasso the moon for her. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.